As we age, our balance and mobility can be affected significantly. A range of factors include neurological impairments, orthopedic issues, and chronic illnesses that can cause balance issues. The Berg Balance Scale was developed by Catherine Berg in 1989. The Berg Balance Scale is an evidence-based clinical assessment tool used to measure balance and mobility in other adults and other individuals who may have impairments due to illness or injury. The scale evaluates an individual's ability to perform everyday activities, such as getting off a chair, reaching for objects on a shelf, or stepping up onto a step. Each task is scored on a 0 to 4 scale, where 0 indicates the individual cannot perform the task, and 4 indicates they can do so independently with no difficulty. There are 14 items, and the scale takes around 15 minutes to complete. The scale can be completed in either a clinical or home setting. By identifying balance impairments, the Berg Balance Scale helps healthcare professionals to create a personalized plan and interventions for their patients to improve their quality of life and overall balance. You would typically use a Berg Balance Scale when assessing the risk of falls and mobility in older adults, when assessing the progress of balance therapy, when assessing pre- and post-operative balance, and during annual health assessment for elderly individuals. At our Carepatron platform, we have a free Berg Balance Scale. To find more worksheets like this on Carepatron, go to the template section on our platform. You can filter by category or type in the keywords to find a specific worksheet.